creating a short instructional video for the roll the dice activity. So I'm just going to use one class, all phys ed classes. This would be exactly the same. So I'm going to use my 6th grade PE class, go to the to-do folder, find the week of the activity. So you'll see here during class, the graded activity will not be posted until about 35 minutes after activity starts. So if you need directions, there will be another activity notice that says it's not graded. So during class, you clicked on the roll the dice directions. You see the directions here. You can also see with the exercises, and also if you don't have any dice at home. So clicking on this link here would bring you to a die. If you click on a second number 6, it brings up 2 dice. So you click on the roll button, it rolls both at once. As you see in the directions, the first number is the number of sets that you would do, and then the second number is the number of reps that you do. So if I were to come back to exercise number 1 being squats, and I was using the roll the dice app, I would have to do 4 sets of 5 squats. If you're not sure what a squat is, you can click on the GIF and then you'd see an example. So this is a squat, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you'd take a 30-second break and then do another 5. Do that 4 times because the dice said to do 4 sets of 5 reps. So you're doing that for all 10 activities. And then most important is to come back here at the end of class, or if you missed class, just simply come right here because you were not there during class, or if you could not complete the activity during class, you would simply click on the one with the date. As it says, this is the final roll the dice activity. This is the graded one where you will find the questions that you also have to answer. So if you were to click on this one, again, you'd still see all the same directions, but now you see that once you're complete the 10 exercise, you have to answer these review questions at the bottom. So what is the difference between a rep and a set? What exercise was most challenging for you and why? Which exercise was least challenging for you and why as well? So again, on your page, you'll be able to click on where it says My Document. It will then open up a Google Doc that looks like this. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, that's where you will find the questions that you need to fill out. So that is the roll the dice activity for phys ed for the first day of the cycle.